Right guys, here you have Bernadette on the left and Howard on the right. As you see, they're out the cage. And up here we have Casper. Pretty girl. So be very careful because I know they're both out at the same time. Casper doesn't go towards them, but they are little monkeys and they're flying around her. I think they're deliberately winding her up. But there's no near misses or anything like that, make sure. I think they're about to do it again. Here she goes. Bernadette! Bernadette, what are you doing? What are they doing, Casper? Have they winded you up, darling? Have they winded you up? Say silly birdies. Silly birdies. Good girl. Come get Daddy cuddle. Come and get Daddy and step up, darling. Step up, baby. Up to a head rub. Head rub. Oh, good girl. Oh, dear. Good girl.